Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to deactivate Facebook account on Android. So this is a very quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Facebook application and you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of this application. Now tap this profile at the top right corner and then scroll down till you see settings and privacy and then click settings. Now here the very first feature or option that you will see is this account center. And as you can see, account center, we have here meta account center. So you have to click the see more in account center. Tap this one. Here you have to scroll down and click this personal details. Now, once you click personal details, you will see here options like contact information, birthday, identity confirmation. Click the fourth one, which is account ownership and control. Now, tap the second one, which is the activation or deletion. And then next, you just have to confirm your Facebook account. Tap your Facebook account again. And then here you have two options, deactivate or delete, but you have to click the very first one, which is deactivate your account, and then tap continue. Click continue again. And then what you're going to do next is to enter your password to make sure that you're the one who's using this account. Click continue and then tap here the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Everything is up to you. Okay. So for me, let's just tap this. I have a privacy concern and then click continue. Now you have to read the following here or you can skip, scroll down and then click continue again. And what you're going to do next is to confirm temporary account deactivation. So all you have to do is to scroll down and tap deactivate my account. So you can reactivate your account at any time through Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account with your email or phone number and password. Okay, so tap deactivate my account and that's it. That's how easy it is to simply deactivate Facebook account on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.